Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti Prakash and let's get into the video. First, let's look into Bank Nifty weekly candle chart because we have seen some positive movement here and also our market will close on every Saturday and Sunday. For that reason, we are going to look into some larger candle. After that, we'll going to one day candle and for 15-minute candle to take any trade. Okay. Here you can see that on weekly candle, Bank Nifty shows some positive intent here, and it closes around that candle which was made previously, and we can assume it as positive. And if it continues to go up by closing above 39,600 or 650, then we'll going to take trade for buying, and our target will be for this week say 40,000. And if it closes above 40,000 in this week, then we can expect some positive movement here, and our target will be 42,000, and we can expect to some expect for some large movement for in 1 week. Like if it's closes above 40,000, then we can assume if it closes above 40,000, then our target will be 42,000 for almost 2,000 point. Okay. Let's look into one day candle chart. Here you can see that one day candle chart market opens gap up and it is opens above, I think 2.2% above opens, and after that it continues to go sideways and shows some negative movement at the end. And if we want to take trade tomorrow, we can continue as it is selling for selling. If it closes below 39,200, then we will going to take trade for selling. Our target will be 39,000 round level. Next target will be 38,800. Okay. And for positive movement or for buying, if you need to wait for it. If it closes above 39,650 or above 39,700, then we can expect some buying happening here. Okay. And let's look into 15-minute candle. For taking any selling trade, if it's open around 39,300 or in between 39,200 and it closes below 39,200, then we will going to take trade for selling, and target will be round level 39,000 as I said, and second target will be 39,800. And assume it if it's open around 39,500 and if shows any negative movement, you also can take trade for selling, and our target will be 39,300 round level and 39,200 round level. And let's assume another thing. If markets open gap up and it's open above 39,600 and it closes it made any positive candle and closes above 39,600, then we can assume it as positive trend and we will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be round level 40,000. Okay. Here another scenario can happen if markets open gap down and it's open closes. So if it's open in between 39,100 and 39,000, then we will going to wait for 5 to 10, 15 minutes. If it shows any negative scenario and it closes below 39,000, then we will going to take trade for selling. Our target will be, as I said, 39,800, and we can set our next target to 39,600. And if it's move create any positive movement here, like any buying movement on 5 minute or 15 candle, if it another candle closes above that candle, then we'll going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 39,300. Okay. Let's look into Nifty weekly candle chart because we have completed our bank Nifty analysis. Now it's time for Nifty. Here you can see that Nifty shows some positive movement here, but not that like Bank Nifty shows more positive intent, but Nifty shows some slow movement here, and it closes below that high, and we can assume it as so small negative scenario. And if it closes below 17,001 and 17,000 round level 17,000 in between 1 or 2 days, then we can expect it to be some negative trend. If it closes below 17,000, then we'll going to take trade for selling, and target will be 16,800 and next target will be 16,400. We can see some movement from for that position. If it's opens above 17,350, then and continues to go up, then we can expect some positive trend here, and our target will be 17,600. Okay. Let's look into one day candle. Here you can see that one day candle, in one day candle, Nifty shows more negative scenario here. If it continue to go down by opening flat or opening gap down, then I will going to take our trade for selling, and our target will be round level 17,000. And if it's open around 17,000 round level and so any positive intent here, then we can take trade for buying, and our target will be 17,200, which will be Friday's low. Okay, and let's look into 15-minute candle, because I am not suggesting you to take any trade for buying. If it closes above 17,350, then you can take trade for buying, but not that much quantity. If it shows any negative scenario for proper buying, it needs to closes above 17,400, and if it closes above 17,400 in 1 or 2 days, then we will going to take trade for buying. As I said, our target will be 17,600. Okay, now let's look into 15-minute candle. Here you can see that Nifty breaks down that low candle which is made on the Friday, which is around 70,270, and after that it continues to go down and closes below. If markets open in between 70,200 and 70,150, then we will going to take trade for selling. For if it shows any negative scenario, and our target will be, as I said, round level 17,100 first, and second target will be our round level 17,000. Okay, and assume it opens above 17,320 or 17,350 or around that, then if it shows any negative scenario here, we can easily take trade for selling, and our stop loss will be high of that candle, or if you can set your stop loss around 17,360, and you can set your target for up to 17,260 to 17,200 round level. Okay, and let's assume markets open gap down, and it's open around in between 17,000 to 17,100, and after that, if it shows any negative scenario, if any negative scenario, we will going to take trade for selling, and if it shows any positive scenario, then we will going to wait for 15-20 minutes to confirm that trend. If it shows any positive scenario for almost 15 to 20 minutes, then we will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 17,160 to 17,200 round level. Okay, and that's it for Nifty. Let's look into Bank Nifty components. Okay, wait a minute, I'll show you that thing. Here is the Bank Nifty components. I basically focus on these 6 components because they have more weightage other than more weightage than other banks. So why we are focusing on Bank Nifty components? Because Bank Nifty don't have any weightage or anything as such. It depends on their components. Nifty also depends on that, on their stocks. So if Bank Nifty components move upwards and Bank Nifty also move upwards, then we can assume some more positive intent here, because if it continues to go up, then Bank Nifty automatically continue to go up. For that reason, we need to analysis Bank Nifty components during market hours. If Bank Nifty shows any positive intent, or Bank Nifty components also shows any positive intent, then we can take trade for buying, and it will be good for us, because we have double confirmation here. Stop loss also can be hit, but we can take trade for any one side movement, and that will be beneficial for us. Okay, and here you can see that HDFC Bank looks positive to me. If it continues to go by opening flat, or if it closes above 1450, then our target will be round level 1460. For negative scenario, it needs to closes below say 1430. If it opens gap down at 1430 and continues to go down, then our target will be round level 1420, and next target will be 1415. Okay, but we can assume it as positive. If it's open gap up, or if it's open flat, then we'll going to take it for buying. Let's look into ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank shows some negative intent here, because it is open around 833 and continues to go down and closes around 870. If it tomorrow continues to go down by opening flat or opening up down, then we will going to take trade for selling, and a stop loss will be 875 to 73, and target will be 860. And if it closes below 860 by opening gap down, or if it opens flat and closes below 860, then our next target will be 852. Okay, for buying movement, it needs to closes above that red candle, which is 885. Let's look into SBI. Here you can see that SBI made some doji candle here because it continues in that range for almost 2.5 weeks, and if it closes below that zone, it will going to show some negative sin movement here, that will be up to 510 to 500 round level, and if it closes above 535, then we can take for any buying trade, and our target will be 540 to 543. Okay. Tomorrow if it closes below 525 by opening flat or opening gap down, then we'll going to take trade for selling. Our target will be 520. Let's look into Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank shows some positive intent here, but it closes below that resistance, and we can assume it as some selling happening at the end. If it continues to go down by opening flat, or if it closes below 1830, then we're going to take trade for selling, and our target will be round level 21st. Second target will be round level 10. If you want to buy Kotak Bank, then if it needs to closes above 840, then we can set our target to 858, which is high of that green candle, which is made on Friday. Okay. Let's look into Axis Bank. So you can see that Axis Bank shows positive intent here, and we have seen resistance for in here for almost 4-5 times, almost 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And if it continues to go down by opening flat, or if it closes below 800 to tomorrow, then we'll going to take trade for selling, and our stop loss will be 800 in between 805, and our target will be round level 791st. Second target we can set up to 785. For buying scenario, it needs to closes above 820, then we can take any trade for buying. Let's look into our last bank, and which is IndusInd Bank. Here you can see that IndusInd Bank trades between that red candle, which is made on Tuesday, I think, and if it's going positive by opening closing above 1270 or 1220, then we will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 1235. And if it continues to go down by opening flat or opening gap down, and then we will going to take trade for selling, and our target will be 1160. And if it closes below 1160 by opening flat, or if it's open around 1160 and continues to go down, then we will going to take trade for selling, and I think it will going to show some more negative scenario, that to be for almost 1140. Okay. And that's it for today, guys. And if you like the video, you can like it, and subscribe my channel, and share it. Bye bye, everyone.